We now have access to the test data in our app component. In fact, we can render the app component. Let me remove the console log here. I don't need that anymore. Refresh the app component. Take a look at the React DevTools. And when we are hovering over the app component, we'll see that we are receiving the contests array as a prob on the app component. So now in the app component, we're going to go ahead and display the contest information. Let's start with one contest. Let's create a new component to represent a single contest. Let's call this component contest preview. I'm naming this preview because this is going to be the preview on the home page, and we're going to have another component to represent a full contest. This contest preview can be a stateless function component. We're going to call it contest preview. And we want to export default contest preview. And also don't forget to import React. This contest preview is going to receive a contest object. And we'll put the information for every contest object in here. Every contest object is going to have an ID, category name, and contest name. So let's go ahead and display the category name first. This would be contest.category name, just like we have it in here. And then in another div, let's put the contest name. So contest.contest name. This component looks good. Let's go ahead and use it. In the app component, we're going to need to import this component. So import contest preview from /contest preview. Then inside the render method, we want to use the contest preview component and pass it a contest object. Now we have an array of contests. So for testing, I'm going to pass the first element of that array. So this array is this.probs.contests. This gives me the array of all contests. And I'm going to pass the first element of that contest. And we'll spread this object into the contest preview so that it gets all the properties for a contest on the first level. Let's test. And there you go. The first contest is showing up. Now we're getting a prob validation here because contest is a property and we have not specified what is the type of this property, but I'm going to be removing this property soon. So let's just live with this error for now. So what we need is to take this component and actually use it inside a loop that loops over all the contests. In React, this is easily done with a map call. So we start with this.probs.contests. Again, this is the array. And we're going to map this array into contest preview elements. So the map is going to expose a contest object for me. And inside the map, I'm going to take the same call. And instead of using this.probs.contest0 now, I could just use contest. Let's go ahead and test. And as you can see, all the contests with all their categories are showing up now. Very simple, right? We start with the data array, and then we map it into a component per contest.